While your video is rendering in YouTube, you have some options. First off, you're going to want to name your file something specific so that you and your audience knows what they're about to get. Every YouTube video does require a description. So as you're loading this video to provide evidence for whatever it is you might be sharing, this would be a great place to put a description. And this space here is where you could put in tags. So this screencast I'm making, I might put the tag of NEA or top class or YouTube basics. That way, when somebody is searching for any of those things, this video has a higher likelihood of popping up. Just as in the upload screen, you can change your settings of your video to be public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. Public means everyone can see it. Unlisted means only those that I share the YouTube link with will see it. Private is just me, and scheduled is just how it sounds. So if you don't want the public to see this video of evidence that you've created, I would select unlisted. The next option that I think is useful is the playlist. You can add all of your own creations to a playlist so that you can find them later on. So for instance, this screencast, I want to go to TLI, so I'll just press that there. That way, I'll be able to find my own video later.